just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction.
Really, Guru?
Guru insane.
Yeah, what?
That's a high school thing. It's so overrated.
Guru insane baby. Yeah.
Okay.
It's gay.
You gotta hit the baby.
It's gay.
No, kick the baby.
It's pretty gay.
Don't hit the baby, yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Good time for what? Oh.
I'm first.
That was stupid.
How long has it been since we ordered? I didn't even take a receipt.
I didn't take a receipt either. It's been 2 weeks. Alright, so first is in the middle. You know, gotta do that.
Oh, that's 2. That's 3 right.
You got two?
That's a good thing I don't have nails.
You go again.
Oh yeah, dude, I did that one time with nails and I was like, bad idea.
God damn it, you already have more than me. You know damn well you finna have more than me, bitch. Use the pink one. I did break a nail already.
Three? Ooh,
Oh, almost a scratch. See, I told you, you got more than me already.
Oh shit, that's me.
I don't know how to pour, it's gonna go everywhere.
It's okay, I believe. I believe. This is él. I feel like he's low-key trying to be like a cool ass and it's not working.
It's not.
Yeah. Ya se cree. You got this, I believe.
I don't.
Oh shit.
Damn, you made up for it, honey.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you do bowling at midnight or something? Is it like after hours? Like
You still hit him.
he still hit one?
He hit 2 or 3. Okay. No more boys versus girls.
What happened? No more boys versus
Yeah. Yeah, let's do back to couples, goddammit.
Pause. I always start off strong and then I just blow out.
We'll see.
Dead ass.
Man, that's not gay. Man, that's gay. Look at the fucking.
Go around.
So, guy, my name is See-Through Panda. This is most satisfying foods of all time.
We were walking back.
This guy. Nigga, this ain't the NFL.
I told you I'd
Have a
host
lane
next
ready
time.
for one. One, you're
Recording, so it's recording, y'all.
So don't trash the.
Elsie's just mean as shit. You know that? What? All right. So I'm about to bowl. I'm about to do it right. I'm gonna get this strike right quick. If I don't get a strike, then that'll be embarrassing. But naive yet inspiring statement, and the music gets hopeful. So we're gonna try that again. So, strike part 2. Except this time it wouldn't be a strike, it would be a spare. Nothing to see here. Look, I just want to win. I came here to win.
Okay.
If I don't come out of here winning one game, I'll be thoroughly disappointed in myself. I thought this way since I was a child.
You want to win?
Why do I want to win?
Yes.
I don't know. I'm not good at this.
Clearly the guy that has 103 points.
Right? Oh my god.
56. Damn it, Mom.
Golf turn, so I win.
How does it feel to win? Do my outro?
All right. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe. That's it for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe. What?
That's the second time.
I got this.
Third time, put the camera on me.
I got this. No. I got this. I don't care how many times it takes. I got this. That's it for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, share. I got it. Hold on. I'm gonna redo it. I got this. That's it for today's video, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, share. Remember, always and forever, keep it tight.
That's not my outro.
That's somebody else's outro. That's it for today's video, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, share. Follow us on Twitter @SeekingPanda. Follow us on Instagram.
I don't have a Twitter. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a big old thumbs up. And if not, subscribe to my channel because I'm actually pretty fucking funny. Bye.
Weakness comes and goes.
That's like concentrated Tabasco right there.
And it's probably not even that hot, but it sure did hit me as soon as I like the smell. Goddamn, and I just drenched the whole fucking.
Just smelling that shit burned another ring on my ass.
It definitely tastes like concentrated Tabasco.
It's not bad. It's just not good.